we're going to move on to level 2 now. All right, level 2. So you grab your brick, you move your brick from here. The brick and your hand stay in the same place. You're going to move your body. Okay, so let's say you move back like that. All right, so if I'm moving back, I'll show you from the side. If I'm moving back, I need to extend my arm forwards. Right, if I don't extend my arm, my hand comes back with me. Okay, so you step back, extend your arm. Right, if I go forwards, I need to bend my arm. If I go to the side, other side, boom. I can go down, I can go up, I can turn. You can go in any direction, okay? So we're gonna go grab the brick, move the brick, move away, come back. Then you start again. Change hands, grab the brick, move the brick, move, move, boom, 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 boom. And that's level 2.